Did you know that 78% of workers live paycheck to paycheck? It's a terrifying reality for millions. But what if I told you there is a way to break free from this cycle without working 80 hours a week? Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to share a simple, yet powerful trick that can literally double your income. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a fundamental shift in how you view your value. The biggest problem most of us face is the time for money trap. We think the only way to earn more is to work more, but there's a hard limit on your time. You can't work 25 hours a day. This ceiling keeps your income capped. Lack of specialized knowledge also holds people back. We stay in generalist roles that are easily replaceable. When you do what everyone else can do, you get paid what everyone else gets paid. Supply and demand works against you. And let's be honest, fear plays a huge role. Fear of asking for a raise, fear of switching industries. This fear paralyzes us, keeping us in comfort zones that are actually financial dead ends. So we stay stuck hoping for a 3% annual raise that doesn't even keep up with inflation. That is the trap. Now, let's talk about the solution. The trick is called value leverage. It means decoupling your output from your time input. Instead of being paid for hours, you get paid for results. But how do you actually do that? You identify a high-value problem in your industry, a problem that costs companies millions. Then you acquire the specific skill to solve that exact problem. This makes you indispensable. Whether it's learning data analytics, specialized sales, or automation, you become the expert. You become the golden puzzle piece, the one part of the machine they cannot afford to lose. This allows you to negotiate based on the value you bring, not the hours you sit in a chair. It changes the math completely. Here is the critical insight. Money follows value, but value is subjective. You must communicate it. You have to advocate for yourself. If you don't tell people the problem you solved, they won't know. Stop waiting to be noticed. Start documenting your wins. Start showcasing your leverage. When you present a portfolio of solved problems, you aren't an employee asking for a raise. You are a business partner proposing a new deal. That is the mindset shift that doubles incomes. It empowers you to walk away if they don't see your value because you know the market will. You are the CEO of your own career. Act like it, and the money will follow. To recap, stop selling time, start solving expensive problems, and communicate your value relentlessly. If this sparked an idea for you, drop a comment below. What's one skill you can learn to increase your value? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial insights. See you in the next video.